Then after you take them out, it's better to start to flush them to get all the rust out. And then how to fit them in, you put the plug, and you can use one of these sockets like this, and to try to hammer it in. Until you set it in. And then the next one, until sit in neatly and nicely, and then you put the third one. That's it. And then you start to put the muffler back after you finish, and job done. Thank you.